So this twist of mine, they were looking odd and unkempt, and it was not just time to let them go because I really love them. And now I decided to transform them to these. Can you see that? Yeah, I decided to transform them, and I've done a whole video on these, which I want us to do it right now. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like and you comment. Let me know what you think of this video. Let's start. Yeah, so guys, the first thing that I did was to apply my leave-in, which was from Mikara. It's a total moisturizer boost leave-in hair treatment. So I decided to first of all apply it to my hair. So first of all, before this, I had cleaned the braids, cleaning them totally, like air which is out. So I had cleaned it, and now the scalp is clean and the braids are also clean. So yeah, so I apply my leave-in. I applied everywhere, then I massage, you know, massage everywhere. And then after that, I decided now to transform the braids. So I just holded the center braids. The style that I was going with, the center braids were not really important, and so I just holding them the way they were without doing anything to them. And now I'm going to use wax. The wax that I was using, it was from Bamsi molding gel wax. So what I'm going to do is applying gel allowed any braid roots, like you can see me doing. Then I twist, or in other ones I fold. I don't know which is the better word, but I just twist aloud. Then after twisting, I hold it at the back so that it don't untwist, like you can see me doing. So I'm going to do this to each and every braid, or each and every twist that is hanging. So you just apply just a small amount of the gel, sorry, not gel, just a small amount of the wax. I don't think gel can work best. The reason why I decided to use wax is because wax makes the hair to lay very well. It becomes so sleek with wax compared to gel, and especially to some hair that they're just hectic to use gel on them because they don't really do much on them. So that's why I decided to use wax. Like you can see, the results will be so amazing. The wax is just making the hair that was coming out because the twist had overstayed. So folding it together or twisting it together ensures that we clear and any hair in between, and therefore it just looks like it's a new twist that has just been done. Yeah, so that's the trick. Then don't apply too much wax, and if you do by mistake, please make sure that you wipe, yeah, so that you don't walk with things that are looking whitish. Yeah, though wax, I don't know why I'm keeping on saying gel. I think we are used to gel. Yeah, so wax melts with time. That's another advantage. At the same time, you can just decide to pass over your blow dye after you're done. So let's do this. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you subscribe. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. Guys, like you can see, the results are already giving new twists. Can you see that? The look is already giving new twist. Can you see that? So I'm just going to hold them. I can't leave them loosely by not holding them, because they are going to untwist. I don't know whether that is making sense. So I have to ensure that they are tied, and not really tight, but tied in such a way that they cannot unfold or they cannot untwist. I hope that is making sense. Yeah, so guys, can you see the difference between the back, where I have not twisted with the wax, and the front? You can see the difference. Yeah, though I'm going to show you the difference at the end of it all. Yeah, but I hope you can see the difference before we started and now. Can you see that the twist is new? Don't tell them, nobody will know. Can you look at that? Look at that. So we deal with the back. So you take one twist, you apply some wax, then you twist like that, and just ensure that it lays somewhere whereby it cannot be able to be just hanging. And if it will be hanging, it means that it can untwist. Okay, I hope I'm explaining everything well. Okay, yeah, so a small amount of wax, like you can see, a small amount of wax. Then I twist like that, and then we secure it for it not to untwist. I think this is just a very good hack, and especially when your hair is looking bad and you have maybe to go somewhere or you have to do something. I think this is a very good hack, because you can be able to do it, I think, within just 10 minutes. I think I didn't even finish 10 minutes doing this. It was just a very fast. Yeah, I think you can be able to do this. Yeah, don't walk around with bad hair, whereas you can be able to fix these. Okay, yeah. As some people might say that wax makes hair to break and all that, but I don't really think so, because I've done it before and I did not see any hair breaking. So I don't think it's true, or maybe it's true, but it depends with each and every person's hair. So guys, like you can see, the back is also looking good, unlike when we started. Can you see that? So we fix these to hair, so we remove that and we try and retwist it again while holding all the hair like that. Can you see that? Wow, see the results. See, Wow, I was already amazed by the results, but look at that, guys. I had to hold them up because, like I've said, no untwisting. Then I've applied my hairspray, and guys, can you see that? See the difference between when we started? Can you see that? My twist is already new. It's already new. Make sure that you subscribe and see you. Bye bye.